Ability to take your body measurements is one of the great skills that everyone should have, whether you're a tailor or not. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Esther Muni. I'm a fashion designer and of course I am still growing. And on my channel I share fashion tips of both fashion designers and non-fashion designer. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can take your body measurements by yourself, especially if you are not a fashion designer. Why do you need to take your body measurements or know how to take your body measurements? Of course, you want to know your body size. You want to send your measurement to someone. You want to take a measurement of your child or someone around you, or you need to order a dress online or something. So you need to know how to take your body measurements. What are the requirements? You need your tape rule, you need a mirror, you need a standing mirror, or you can use a phone selfie to achieve this in order for you to see yourself while taking this measurement and to know whether it is accurate or not. And of course, you need the right tools for you to achieve this. And what are the tips for you to take this measurement yourself? First of all, you need to stand straight. You don't want to bend while taking this measurement. You need to stand straight in front of your mirror. You need to wear a fitted dress, a fitted cloth like a tank top as a lady and a leggings, or something that will be fitted on your body, maybe your underwear. This will be able to achieve the accurate results. And of course, you want to retake your measurement again in order to know if you are correct with the first one you took. If you are confused about one measurement or the other, you can as well check online. Taking your body measurements depends on what is required of you. Alright guys, let's go into the video. In order for you to take your blouse measurement, you have to start from your shoulder, as you can see. Let it come across your bust down to where you want it to be, then to my underbust, then to your half length, that's before the navel. And of course, you want to take your bust. As you can see, you have to let it be free on your bust while you put your hand a bit inside. Then you move it around for you to be sure it's free and it will be free on you. And of course, you want to take it down to your half length, that particular place before your navel. Let it be a bit tight on you. You know, that side have to be tight, firm. And of course, to your waist, to your actual waist, where you normally put your skirts or your trouser, and of course your hip, the large part of your bum, right? All right, so as you can see, you have to make it free. All right guys, adjust it well to make sure it sits well on your bum, as you can see. And of course, you want to take your back measurements from one end of your shoulder to the other side, because your sleeve. Okay, as you can see, I have to turn my tape rule downward for me to achieve this better. All right, so I'm taking this, and then the long sleeve as well. I had to turn my tape rule downward in order to also achieve this better. After taking this, I have 23 inches for my long sleeve, and I want to take my pants trouser or skirts, my pants length rather, or skirts. As you can see, I have to still turn my tape rule downward in order to achieve this, and standing straight, not bending. So I have 39 inches. All right, so I'm taking my lap measurements down. Okay, also I have to make it free. Yeah, I don't want to make it tight. Then I don't think this is actually necessary. Depends on what you want. Then my round sleeve, as you can see me do, sometimes it's not, you can also call it a bicep. So you want to make it free as well, your ankle or your elbow, and also the wrist as well. Please don't forget to like, comment on my video, let me know what you think concerning this video, and as well share it with any other person that might need it. All right, now I'm taking my neck measurements. Okay, as you can see, I have to make sure that my hair is going back and I'm able to take it around very well. Make sure it's not so tight on my neck. Once again, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share my video. Thanks for watching.